All right, this is going to be a short one because I just want to share what the fastest way that I know is to grow or build a 7 or 8 figure business, right? Not going to go into all the little details, but like if I were to start from scratch right now, this is what I would do, right? Now, before breaking down, I just want to briefly share, like there are a lot of ways you can get to 7 or 8 figures, right? There's too many, right? Probably if you're in the marketing space or you're doing anything online, you're probably getting bombarded with all the whatever gurus and stuff, whatnot, that tell you to listen to their model and whatnot. And truth is, most of these models probably work. Like probably there's some legs to it, right? And 100% certain that there are ways to get to 7 or 8 figures a lot faster than what I'm going to share here with you right now. This is just the fastest way that I know, just saying, right? Probably there are ways that I don't know of that that some people say like, hey, if I start today, I'll have it tomorrow, right? Like this is not going to be that fast, right? But it's going to be a heck of a lot faster than what I see most people do. Like a lot of people start maybe doing social media, like building an audience and like whatever, right? Or like starting organic marketing or like SEO, like all of these things can work, right? But like the number one thing that if I were to start from scratch right now is to build such a good offer, like Alex Moses says, an offer that people feel stupid saying no to, right? But like such a great offer. It doesn't just resolve the problem people have in the best way possible. Like it's the right market, it solves the right problem, but also it's a great offer. Like it just has the right hook, right angle. It's seen as an opportunity rather than an improvement. Like it has the bells and whistles. If you were to put that offer in front of people, right, they couldn't help themselves but throw money at it, right? That's how good the offer should be, right? Because once you have the right offer, once you have the right messaging around it, it is so like relatively speaking, it's so easy to just get 10 million eyeballs on it. Like with the app platforms that are out there today, as long as your offer is really good and as long as your ads are converting, you can spend a crap ton of money on it and it will be seen. This is not just hearsay or whatever. Like I've done this multiple times, right? We figured out what the right offer, what the right funnel is, and because it was working so well, like the ads got shown to 5 or 10 million people, right? And I just say that like that, but like probably actually more or less 50 or 100 people, probably 100 million people, but not the point, right? Point is, right, if I were to start from scratch, I would figure out the right offer, which will take time. It will take time to learn the market, learn the audience, learn whatever, right? But once you figure that out, you can truly scale. You don't have to worry about social media, you don't have to worry about content marketing. Like literally, like as I said to many of my customers as well in the past, and once you get to a point where like you can spend $1 and you get $5 out or whatever, like how much money would you spend? As much as possible. Like in my business, as long as things are profitable, there is no ad budget. Like it is unlimited as long as it's profitable. Or because like, why would we put a limit on it for making money, right? Sure, if you spend more, if you're going to spend $1, you get 5 out, it doesn't mean that you spend 10 million and you get $50 million out. It doesn't work like that. Like it will get less efficient. You will get a lower ROAS, obviously, right? But yeah, we can, like, out of all the things that you can do, this is what I believe is, again, based on what I know, the fastest way to, like, even if your goal is to go 7 figures, have the right offer and you can, with the right funnel, you can get there like within a few months. Like, and again, this is easier said than done. Like, I'm not saying like I just start right now and in 3 months I'll have $1 million in the bank. It doesn't work like that. There's practice. There's like, once you hit the right offer, once you hit the sweet spot, that's when you can start scaling. And then you can add all the other crap on top as well. Just wanted to share that with all of you. Hope you have an amazing day and catch you all soon.